Hey guys, it's Flippin Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. We are going to do a haul video. This past weekend on Sunday, Keith and I went to several Goodwills. We didn't find anything spectacular or any home runs, but we found plenty of the bread and butter items that we like to stock in our store. And for 99 cents for most of what we bought, it's a good return on investment. We pretty well stuffed the back seat and the trunk of the car. We are revving up for Q4, so we are getting more inventory, kind of stockpiling it so that we have more to list, so that we can get the amount of listings we have up in preparation for Q4. So we're not going to just focus solely on clothing for Q4. We are looking into some pallets. We are still scouring yard sales for electronics and things like that. But we want to stock everything. So we're going to get a lot of clothes as well as other items. 99 cents was yellow tags Sunday, and the green ones were half off. So here's a yellow tag. We paid 99 cents for these. These are just my size. It is a good plus size brand. I do pretty well with it usually, especially the jeans. I feel like those go better than the shirts. But I do good with those too. But these were cute because they were like trousers, and then they have like the belt there, so I thought those were cute. These I picked up just because they were only 99 cents and I wanted to try them. They are Miley Cyrus. Longtime viewers know that I often sometimes, that doesn't even make sense. I often find clothing with like a celebrity's name on it or what have you, and I'll buy it if it's 99 cents just to try it, just because it has the celebrity name. These are a junior size 15, so they're larger, so for 99 cents, I will try it. These are green, so, whoops, sorry. We paid $3.50 for these. I would have paid $7 for these all day long because they're my favorites. These are silver Suki jeans, and they have some nice bling bling on the back there and on the pockets here. I'm always excited when I can find silver jeans for half off or 99 cents, but I do pay full price for them for what I can flip them for. I paid full price for these, so I did pay $7 for these because I've never seen jeans in this brand, so I was pretty excited. These are Tommy Bahama men's jeans. They have a little fish, and they're a bigger size. They're like a 38 in the waist, and they're just, you know, they're nice jeans. They have a patch on the back. I figured I'd try it. I like to take risks. 99 cents for this. It is just Max. It's not like a really awesome brand or anything, but it's super cute. It's like a brown bomber jacket, and it's faux leather. And a lot of times it is about style and not brand, especially sometimes on Posh, like the more stylish things will go. So I'll definitely be cross-posting this one. It's just cute. For 99 cents, someone will want it. It's a nice style, and it is faux leather. This was also 99 cents. Again, this is Aeropostale. Not, you know, the greatest, but it is also faux leather, and it's like a biker jacket with gray sweatshirt sleeves. And yellow tag. So these were 99 cents. These are men's. These are Cabela's. So that's usually a brand I do pretty well with in the men's department. These are a 48. So these are pretty big. So I should be able to charge up for them. And they still have their sticker on their leg, so I can list them as new, other, or new without tags. Let's see what this. Oh, 99 cents. And this brand does pretty well on Posh. A couple of people told me that when I started on Posh, I put this brand on there, and so far, I've done well with this brand on Posh. I think they make styles and things that are attractive to the younger crowd. So this is just a gray puffy coat vest with a nice hood, and I'm going to make sure that one gets cross-posted. I really did well in the coats for 99 cents this week. This was also 99 cents. This is a brand I've never heard of. It's Sona, but it is another faux leather full zip bomber jacket. It's just cute. I got a lot of jeans. But I'm getting ready for fall, so 99 cents. These are smaller size. They're men's. They're 34, but they are Urban Pipeline. I've done good with shorts for men in that brand, so I figured for 99 cents I'll try jeans. And I wanted to show you guys a couple of shirts we got that aren't they're Coleman Sport, so the brand is nothing, right? But you know how you sometimes hear people say that sometimes it's about the style or the design or the graphics, and it's not always about the brand. These were 99 cents, and that's why we were willing to try them. This one is so awesome. Look at that. I think the graphics on this will sell it itself. It doesn't matter about the brand. I mean, it is pretty. It is gray. It has yellow flowers, yellow sunset. It says Aloha. And it's an extra large for men, so that's a good size. And I believe, yes, this is another, this was 99 cents. It's another Coleman, or Coleman, however you say it. But this one had super cool graphics too. It's gray, and it has Chinese writing on the one side, and a dragon there on the other side, and then at the bottom of the shirt, it has Chinese graphics and stuff. So, pretty cool for 99 cents. I would say so. Another yellow tag. Can you see it? 99 cents. And these are just White House Black Market, but again, this is a brand that does well on both platforms for me, eBay and Posh. Just a size 6 capris, but for 99 cents, sure. And this is one I wish it fit me because I would totally be stealing it for myself. It's just a graphic t-shirt at Star Wars. It was 99 cents. It is an Old Navy collectability. And I'm trying to find the size to tell you guys. It's an extra large, I think. So that's cool. It's kind of faded, so we'll probably measure it just to be sure. The tag was faded where I showed you the brand. So this was 99 cents. This is MMA Elite. It has some super awesome graphics. Look at that. This is just a busy shirt. And it's a t-shirt, but it has the built-in thermal, like, long johns. If you guys know what those are, but like the thermal sleeves. And then those have graphics on them as well. So this is a good shirt to put in the store for winter or fall coming up soon. And it is a 2 extra large, so. Okay, we have a stack of Western Pearl Snap shirts. And I know that I've told you guys before, Western Pearl Snap shirts are 100% a bolo, and the brand does not matter. What matters is that it's a Western shirt and that it has pearl snaps, and like if it has graphics, that's always a plus. Of course, better brands are always a plus, but like these sell for Keith all day long, and off-breed brands, it just, you know, people just like these shirts. So if you find the better brands, obviously pick those up. You're going to get more money for them. But I would say we pick these up in every brand we can find them in, especially when they're 99 cents. So this is just an American Eagle, but this one's kind of superbly pretty. It's pink and red and blue plaid. It's real nice, and it's got the pearl snaps. Okay, this one is just Arizona Jean Company, but again, it was 99 cents. It's the pearl snaps, and it's a nice plaid. It's got like a patch on the sleeve and a nice graphic on the back right there. And there's a couple more. There was a bunch of these on the rack all together. This one is just Company 81. I've never even heard of that brand, but it is pearls. 99 cents. And it's just plaid. It doesn't have anything special about it, like any graphics or anything, but it's a nice shirt. And then this one is another American Eagle Outfitters. Again, 99 cents. Pearl snap buttons, and it's just a blue and white plaid. It's like a teal. And then he found this button-up shirt. It is not a pearl snap. It's a decree, but it had this really great graphic on the back, as you can see, and it's just a button front shirt, a nice men's button front shirt. So those were like the highlights. Like I said, we really stocked up. We got a lot of our bread and butter brands. I came home with a ton of jeans, and I'd say the silver jeans are probably the best ones I found this week. And then Keith found the whole slew of pearl snap shirts. I think there were more, but I wasn't gonna sit here for an hour and just show you pearl snap shirts. But yeah, that's the highlight of what we got. So do me a favor, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to us and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Until next time, you guys have a good night. See ya.